this is where you're actually going to be able to trade the stocks or options. So these are all the options. So I won't get into it. We'll do that as another video. But here I just wanted to kind of just show what you're looking at. So instead of the Dow Jones, let's do Apple. So and then if you don't know the ticker, you could just type in Apple and it'll show up and you just click it too. So here we have last X, which is 125.12. So this is just saying that it's trading, the last price it's trading at was $125.12 per share. The net change, this is just the net change from when it opened and when it closed. So now you have bid and ask. So you might see some fluctuations changing just because the market just closed. So there is some after hours that you could trade some shares. So you might see these prices changing. It might be the same. So ask is if you wanted to buy Apple. So if you wanted to buy Apple right now, you would pay $125.23 per share. And say you own Apple, then if you wanted to sell it, you would hit the bid price. So ask is buy, bid is sell. Then you just have the size, it's just the position, the volume. So this is 102 million, and so this is just the amount of shares being traded right now. Just today, the open is the price that Apple opened up today. So in the morning, it opened up at $128.41. It went up to 128.72. This was the high for today, and the low was $125. So that's why you could see the net change was minus $2.67 because it was from the high to the low of when it opened and the close.